Iris, the Inmate Identification and Recognition System, was developed by Bi2 Technologies in collaboration with the National Sheriff's Association to positively identify inmates using the most anatomically unique biometric, the iris. Since 2005, sheriff's offices and correctional facilities have been utilizing Bi2's iris biometric identification technology for essential responsibilities such as arrests, inmate intake and booking, transportation, distribution of medicines, inmate release, and authentication of an individual. Bi2 Technologies and the nation's sheriffs have created what no other organization in the world, public or private, have been able to accomplish. The implementation of the nation's only secure, encrypted, real-time national criminal justice data sharing network, based on iris biometric technology, which enables law enforcement across the nation to positively identify criminals in seconds from virtually anywhere. This unique national database allows sheriffs to quickly identify the true identity of the person in their custody. And more importantly, the IRIS database provides information from other jurisdictions across the country once the offender is registered in the system. In October of 2010, the Department of Justice Community-Oriented Policing Services, or COPS office, said, "Iris recognition has proven to be significantly more accurate, faster, less expensive, and easier to use than any other visible biometric on the human body." At the root of iris recognition's accuracy is the data richness of the iris itself. The iris system captures over 265 points of unique characteristics in formulating its algorithmic template. No other technology delivers real-time results with the same high degree of accuracy. Once the digital photograph of the iris is taken, results are generated in approximately 8 seconds or less. Other biometric modalities, including fingerprints, facial recognition, palm scanning, and voice printing, are all significantly less accurate than iris recognition. In fact, one iris template contains more data than collected for finger, face, and hand templates combined. This is one reason why iris recognition can authenticate with confidence. The likelihood of any two people having the same pattern is a staggering 1 in 10 to the 78th power. These factors and capabilities have resulted in unprecedented adoption and exponential growth and effectiveness of technology by our nation's law enforcement agencies. The iris technology, which has been certified by the FBI, is easily integrated with existing jail and records management systems, AFIS, and sex offender trafficking systems. Sheriffs were the first to understand how this extremely accurate and affordable technology could help them solve a difficult and critical problem they face every day: how to identify criminals and share information quickly and affordably across departments in multiple states on the risks they pose to our communities. With the support and leadership of the National Sheriff's Association, Western States Sheriff's Association, and Southwestern Border Sheriff's Coalition, sheriffs from 47 states have embraced and implemented iris biometric technologies to better protect their communities. The iris system has successfully performed over 4.2 million unique searches on offender irises, and no sheriff has ever had a mistaken release because of a bad ID. Equally as important, the iris system has caught over 24,000 offenders who have lied about their identities. Many of these are violent offenders who have been arrested in other jurisdictions from across the country. The results of sheriffs' vision, leadership, and commitment to innovation are amazing. Pinal County, Arizona Sheriff Mark Lamb is a longtime user of Bi2 Technologies' inmate recognition and identification system. This is what he has to say about iris.
We use it in our intake area. As soon as the offender comes in, to make sure we know exactly who we're dealing with and the risks they pose to our deputies, detention officers, and other inmates. And because it only takes seconds to positively identify the offender from a national database, it speeds up the entire intake process. We also use it when an inmate is about to get released to make sure we never release the wrong person back into the community. It also catches offenders who are lying about their identities or who have been arrested in other jurisdictions across the country.
The iris system was built by sheriffs for sheriffs and is ideal for large-scale ID applications or for enterprise-wide use throughout an entire system. Bi2 Technologies is proud of the progress we've made in conjunction with our nation's sheriffs in implementing this innovative technology. Contact us today to see how your office can benefit from participation in this important national biometric database.